Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video on the View into Hux World. And yes, the weekend continues. Some of you have 3 days off, some 4. Some of you are going to even have 6 days off. But listen people, I got a watch face that's going to carry you through this holiday weekend. And it's geared toward fitness and it's going to fit any occasion, especially over this weekend. All right, with that being said, let's check out this watch face. Now, the name of the watch face is called Textbers. It has everything you need in one place. It's going to be the most unique watch face that you're going to see over this weekend. And on top of it, it's going to be free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. So remember, download ASAP because I do not know how long this one is going to be free. Cool? All right, let's check this watch face out. Again, the name of it is called Textbers. It has everything that you need. Even in the AOD mode, you're going to get a nice look, your digital time, some info. It's going to look slightly like what you're going to see when the watch face is on. But when it's on, it gives you everything. You're going to get your step information at the top, heart rate information, floors climb, your digital time. You're also going to get the day of the week, your date. Now, if you're on your run, you got your music, you got your S Health, you got your messages that you can tap into, your alarm, you're going to get your battery info and a PM stamp. Everything you need is going to be in one watch face. And on top of it all, it is interactive. So if I want to check my music on my run, single tap and I can go into it. Same thing with my alarm, my messages, and my heart rate information. I can tap up here on my steps and I can get my step status. So you can tap on everything and extract the information you're looking for. I thought this was a nice look for such a holiday weekend. Question is, people, what do you think? Remember, hit me in the comment section down below. It is important and it does help the channel. All right, and that's going to be it for this video. We got a couple of more watch faces that we're going to review today. So look out for them, support the channel, share it on social media. And with that, if you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Have a great holiday weekend.